Hello students. Today we will start a new chapter from your business studies book, and the name of the chapter is Sources of Business Finance. So in this chapter basically we will be learning about the various sources from which the business acquires its funds. Okay, finance means basically funds. That means how the funds will be acquired from various sources and how that funds will be utilized in business. That will be dealt in details in this chapter. Okay, so let us move into the meaning of business finance. So here we have the meaning of finance. That means business finance means the funds and credit employed in the business. That means credit means here the loan which we are taking in the form of capital. Okay, so how that fund or how that capital will be employed in purchasing raw materials, then assets, goods and other expenses will be met with that finance or with that fund is known as business finance. So finance is basically the process of allocating those funds into the various needs of the business. Okay, so according to B.O. Wheeler, meaning of business finance is it includes those business activities that are concerned with acquisition, that means acquiring or getting, and conservation of capital funds. That means conservation means maintaining it or employing it into various sectors in which it is needed to be channelized. Okay, so those funds, how it will be utilized in the business to fulfill the overall financial needs and the objectives of a business enterprise is known as business finance. Okay, now business is identified with generation and circulation of products and services for fulfilling of needs of the society. So for continuing the business in successful manner, we need to have the finance properly channelized into the business, and we need to analyze the various sources of business finance very meticulously so that it brings profit to the business at a that means it brings profit to the business, that is we can acquire those finance or funds at a lower cost. Okay, so this is basically the goal of a financial manager or role of acquiring the finance for the business activities. Now we will move on to the importance of business finance. That means for what are the activities we need these kinds of funds. Okay, so here we have the importance of business finance. Now apart from doing the regular activities, that means acquiring of raw materials, purchasing of assets, or any kinds of plants, that means machineries, plants and machineries, and paying on wages or salaries, etc., etc. Apart from these regular activities, there are various kinds of other requirements of a business finance. So first we can classify it as fixed capital requirement. Now this fixed capital means the funds which are used for acquiring plant and machinery, land and building, that means which requires a huge amount of investments or huge amount of expenditure is incurred in acquiring these kinds of assets or in meeting these kinds of expenses. So first requirement is fixed capital requirement. Okay, now we will move on to the next requirements or importance. Okay, next we have working capital requirement. Now this working capital means the funds needed or the money needed to carry on the day-to-day activities of a business. That means paying wages, acquiring raw materials, taxes, paying rents and other kinds of expenses. So working capital, always remember, it doesn't require much of it doesn't require huge expenses. We can easily do it with less amount of money or funds. Okay, because these are the regular expenditure of a business. Then next is diversification. Now if we want to diversify our existing business, that means we want to go for a new project or we want to introduce new products. Okay, so that will need funds, because we need to invest in various kinds of other prospects also. So that is the other importance or need of business finance diversification. Okay, then we have technology upgrading. Now when the technology becomes obsolete, we need to update it, and that requires money. That means we need fund for technology upgradation also. So these are the various kinds of needs or importance of business finance. Today we will discuss up to this much. Next day we will move further with the chapters. Till now, if you face any problem, kindly contact me. Thank you, children.